Hello everyone, Rami, Assistant Professor of CSE Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Subject code CS8602, Compiler Design, Unit 3, Topic Type Checking. A compiler must check the source program follows both syntactic and semantic conventions of the source language. This checking, called static checking, detects and reports programming errors. Some examples of static checks, there are two types: type check, flow of control check. Type check means a compiler should report an error if an operator is applied to an incompatible operand. If an array variable and function variable leaded together. Next one is flow of control checks. Statements that cause flow of control to leave a construct must have some place to which to transfer the flow of control. For example, enclosing statement such as break statement does not exist in switch statement. Here this diagram, it shows the position of type checker. That means it varies the type of a construct matches that expected by its context. Here the arithmetic operator mode in Pascal requires integer operands. So a type checker verifies that the operands of mode have type integer. Type information gathered by a type checker may be needed when code is generated. Next, we are going to see the type systems. The design of a type checker for a language is based on information about the syntactic constructs in the language, the notation of the types, and the rules for assigning types to language constructs. For example, if both the operands of arithmetic operators plus, minus, and asterisk are of type integer, then the result is of type integer. Next one is type expression. The type of a X language constructs will be denoted by a type expression. That means it is either a basic type or is formed by an applying an operator called a type constructor to other type expressions. The sets of basic type constructors depend on the language to be checked. The following are the definitions of type expressions. Basic types such as Boolean, character, integer, real, or type expressions. A special basic type will signal an error during type checking, while denoting the absence of a value allows statements to be checked. Since type expressions may be a type name type expression, a type constructor applied to type expression is a type expression. Then next we are going to see the type system. In this type system is a collection of rules for assigning type expressions to the various parts of a program. A type checker implements a type system. It is specified in a syntax directed manner. Different type systems may be used by different compilers or processors of the same language. Next one is static and dynamic checking of type. Checking done by a compiler is said to be static, while checking done when the target program runs it's termed dynamic. Any check can be done dynamically if the target code carries the type of an element along with the value of the element. The next one is sound type system. The sound type system eliminates the need for dynamic checking follow as to determine statically. That is, errors cannot occur when the target program runs. That is, if a sound type system assigns a type other than type error to a program part, then type error cannot occur when the target code for the program part is run. The next one is strongly typed language. A language is strongly typed if its compiler can guarantee that the program it accepts will execute without type error. Error recovery. Since type checking has the potential for catching errors in program, it is desirable for type checker to recover from errors so it can check the rest of the input. Error handling has to be designed into the type system right from the start. The type checking rules must be prepared to cope with errors. Thank you.